guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. So in today's video, I'm showing you how to make a very healthy smoothie that will help you to spice things up in the sleeping room. Yes, you heard me right. This smoothie will help you to boost up that, that stamina, give you that stamina, give you that strength to be able to do things well, if you know what I mean, in the sleeping room, so that there will be no complaint, both man and woman. This drink will help you to skyrocket your energy. Yes, after taking this drink, you'll be at the peak, guys. You'll be at the peak. So if you want to learn how I come up with this drink, don't go anywhere. Keep watching. The first ingredient we're going to be needing is kiwi. I'll be using 2 kiwis for this recipe. Kiwis contains fiber and antioxidants that provide essential health benefits. This fresh, delicious fruit helps to stimulate immunity and reduce the risk of certain diseases. It contains high amount of vitamin C. And you know, guys, vitamin C is very good in increasing libido and boost fertility. Kiwi also help in fighting against blood sugar level. It will help you to reduce blood sugar level and also help you in issues like blood clotting. If you are battling with blood clotting, then kiwi is very good to incorporate in your diet. Don't forget that it helps to increase libido and fertility. The next ingredient we're going to be needing is banana. I'll be using 1 medium-sized ripe banana for this recipe. Banana contains bromelain, an enzyme which triggers testosterone production, and also it contains potassium and vitamin B, which alleviate energy level. So banana helps in skyrocketing your energy. It will help you to boost your energy and give you that stamina. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is spinach. Leafy greens like spinach contains lots of folic acid, which can help to increase fertility and boost your libido. If you don't have spinach, you can substitute spinach with parsley or kale. So guys, we'll get a blender and we'll be transferring the fruits and the spinach to the blender before incorporating the rest ingredients. So the first seed that we're going to be needing is pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed contains high amounts of magnesium, and magnesium helps to rise up testosterone level in the body, which is very good in boosting up your stamina. I'll be using a tablespoon of pumpkin seed for this recipe. Our next seed that we're going to be needing is flax seed. Flax seed contains high amount of both omega-3 and 6 essential fatty acid, which your body needs to balance hormone. If you are suffering from hormone imbalance, it suppresses your libido. So using flax seed will help you in skyrocketing your libido. I'll be using a tablespoon of grounded flax seed for this recipe. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is maca root powder. Guys, I can go on and on with this particular powder. This maca root powder helps in boosting energy, and also it increases your fertility. It improves your mood. When you don't have the mood, you are not always in the mood, maca powder is very good in increasing your mood. It also reduces blood sugar level and reduces sunburn. It fights against free radicals in your body. I'll be using just a teaspoon of maca powder for this recipe. It also helps in increasing your libido. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is milk. Dietary milk is a good source of protein. It also contains calcium, vitamin B, potassium and vitamin D, which is very good for your body. It's good for your overall health, and also it helps in boosting your libido. So I'll be using just half a cup of milk for this recipe. So you want to give that a very good blend, okay? You want to blend everything together. We are not going to sieve this drink, so you want to blend this smoothie very smooth so that you can be able to enjoy it when drinking it. This super drink will help you in boosting your libido, guys. Like, trust me on this one. When you always feel weak, when you always feel tired, this drink is very good. It boosts your energy. It skyrockets your energy because of the maca powder, and also banana helps in boosting your overall energy. Take this drink in the night before going to bed, like 30 minutes before going to bed, and you will really see the best result for using this drink. And please, if you are taking this drink, please be consistent. Take this drink for up to 1 month. So guys, here we have a smoothie. We have come to the end of this video, and let me guys, please, I can't wait to test my smoothie. Please, just 1 minute, let me take this drink. This tastes super yummy, super filling, super refreshing, guys. You need to try this drink. Thank you very much for watching this awesome video, and if you find this video very helpful, please give it a thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. There are 2 videos that will pop up on the screen after this video. You can just click on any of the content to see what is there, okay? I'll advise that you click on the other one that is also referring this kind of drink for you to go and power up in the sleeping room. Yes. Okay guys, I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you so much. Okay guys. Mwah. Bye.